Hi everybody. This video is going to show you a neat little function in Aspen for making groups out of your class lists. That might be helpful for mark reporting. It could be helpful for creating groups for any reason whatsoever. And I'll show you how I would use it perhaps as a mark reporting tool. So let's get right to it. We're going to be at the home page after we log in. And to get to your groups, we're going to click on Gradebook. This may or may not happen, and well, it won't be up until January 23rd, so scores will not be available to you, but groups are. So if we click over on the left-hand side under Manage Class Groups, you'll notice that automatically we have all of our class students here, and some of them may even have pictures. I know in my actual one, this is the training module, but in my actual Aspen, I'll see the pictures of my students, which is great. I want to make a new group set. So we're going to click on Options and Add, and I'm going to call this group set Levels. So levels meaning level obviously 1, 2, 3, 4. And over here under Add Group, I'm going to choose the first name or the name of my first group. That's level 1. And Add Group. And so level 1 is waiting for students. So I've got all my level 1s that I'm going to choose, and I'm going to just click and drag my level 1s over. There they are. And I'll choose another group called level 2, level 3, level 4, etc., etc. Here's my level 2s, let's say, and it's a click and drag. I realized very quickly that there's only one student is allowed per group. You can't have a student in multiple groups. To do that, you'd have to create a new group set. Then you can have multiple students in different groups. So for example, I could go to Options, add a new group set, and call this Group Work, or whatever I like, however I need to organize my students. Notice how I have a brand new group set with new groups. This is going to be Group 1. And in Group 1, I've got these 3 students. They'll be working together today on the, they'll be working today on the whiteboard, for example. And so I can make my groups that way, which is great. Now, how is that useful? Back in Gradebook, when you go to scores, if you're entering your comments and you're entering your learning skills, if I want to click on students now, instead of all, I can sort by levels. So I know that those students that I selected for that group are in level 1. Now I've just got those 4 students, and I can focus and concentrate on giving them the learning skills that they need. Plus, I can think about having a similar comment perhaps for those 4 students as well, seeing as how they're all in level 1. So hopefully that'll help you, and it'll sort out your students a little easier, making them a little more manageable, maybe not. Maybe you'd rather have an entire student class list. It's up to you though. All right, that's it for me for now. I hope that helped. Once again, if you have any troubles with Aspen, please come and see me or Katie Atwell, and we will do our best to help. Thanks.